Eurotech started basically as a brotherhood. We all grew up in the same town, the town where our shop is currently, and we were friends, up until we got our licenses, until we all had our first cars, until we all had our first jobs. Donick and Ryan, who both worked at an Audi dealership, and I worked for a BMW dealership. Essentially, all of us at some point did want to make our way out of the dealership, even though it's what got us going in the automotive industry. Michael Pillari, one of the owners of Eurotech. So Eurotech started as a small 3-bay shop. It was so tight on parking, we had to park at the A&P parking lot across the street. And it started as just mechanical, but slowly started growing into cosmetic portion, into tint, into a small amount of paint protection film, which we subbed out pretty much all those services. So in 2014, Eurotech decided to move from the 3-bay shop we had down the street to now our current facility, which is about 16,000 square feet. Essentially what really grew and filled up this spot was paint protection film, and XPEL played a huge role in that. When we were just getting going, we had called our rep and said, we have this meeting, it's a huge store, they're looking to do about 100 cars a month. We're really looking to grow this. Without hesitation, our XPEL rep said, I'll be on the next flight, set up the meeting, I'm coming with you guys. And when we showed up at this store with our rep from XPEL, not just a Eurotech employee, that our rep flew in here and he's willing to help and assist and answer any questions that any sales, F&I, service, anyone in the dealership has, whether it's product related, warranty related. We had him on our side as if he was a part of the Eurotech team. Once you do get the accounts, now you have to grow. It could be anything from a $10,000 a month account to a $100,000 a month account. And you're real excited to do the work until you realize 30, 45, 60 days later that you're still collecting payment on those cars that you did 2 months ago. You've paid your men, you've paid your supplies, and you're awaiting payment, which, regardless of the size of your business, will always have a burden on you with cash flow. But XPEL, in their typical fashion, came up with something and introduced us to payment solutions. As an XPEL dealer, it now allows you to get funding from your commercial accounts as quick as next business day. If you were afraid to tackle that $50,000 a month account, $100,000 a month account, because you were worried that you were going to have to lay out the initial $50,000 to get it going, this takes that out of the equation. And here at Eurotech, we're always trying to innovate, we're always trying to grow, and I can assure you that this payment solutions has helped us tremendously already. If you're a fellow business owner like myself and you're looking to expand your revenue stream with commercial and wholesale work, you can now have the confidence knowing that XPEL will be there every step of the way.